Welcome back to Metaloop. This GMC Terrain support struts on its liftgate, or rear hatch, have been failing in the cold weather, and in today's video, we'll be replacing them. You can see here on a warmer day the struts are still working, but we're fighting a bit to open the liftgate up. You should be able to hit the open button, and with very little effort, the liftgate should almost open by itself. So let's fix that issue on this 2011 GMC Terrain SLT-1. This process should be the same for a Chevy Equinox as well. All of the parts numbers and additional details will be in the description below. This video is pretty short, so I'll just quickly ask for a moment of your time to like and subscribe. Thank you. Removing the struts is pretty simple. You may be tempted to unbolt the bracket, but you'll see here that the struts have clips. A flathead screwdriver is all we'll be using for this job. Before we begin, let's brace one side so that the liftgate doesn't fall on our head when we remove the strut. I'm using a pair of locking pliers on the strut with a little silicone pad to not scuff it up, just in case we want to save it. If you don't have locking pliers, you can also just get a broomstick or a friend to hold up the liftgate for you. Now on the other side, we'll take a flathead screwdriver and remove the clips at the bottom and the top of the strut. What I'm doing here is prying the clip out slightly, then pushing it down the base of the strut. We only need the clip to be out of the way of the ball joint that it's holding in place. You don't have to remove the clip fully like I'm doing here. And here's a better view of the top clip. For this one, I just removed the clip fully since we're swapping out to new ones, but you really only need to slide it upward and out of the way. Now with both clips removed, you simply pull the strut out. If you're doing this by yourself, just be careful here and make sure the liftgate is fully secured. For me, my locking pliers clamping on the other strut could have been a little tighter and I had to readjust. I didn't film that because it's embarrassing. On the new strut, use your flathead to shimmy the clips off to the side. You don't want to remove the clip fully. Our goal is to place the strut on the ball joints and then push the clips back into place. If you remove the clips completely, they are way harder to put back on once the strut is over your head. Also, the struts are directional and they do technically have separate part numbers. You'll see here that you want the bottom joint to angle downward when the top is facing inward. This angling does matter to help twist and lock in the ball joints into the sockets on the strut. Unfortunately, the part numbers don't confirm which side is which as far as I could tell. So for you doing it at home, my best suggestion is to prepare both struts ahead of time in case you grab the wrong one first. Once you find the proper angle to seat the strut, pop the clips back into place. And now we're done the first strut, and we can move on to the other side. Since it's the same process as the first one, I'll just do the quick version. Remove the top and bottom clips, pull the strut off, take the new strut with prepared clips and pop it on, and push the clips back into place to secure it. And we're done. The old struts are off and we have a fully functional liftgate that's easy to close and open. You can definitely feel the difference in how the hatch behaves with the new struts in place. I hope you found this video helpful, and if so, I have an oil change video and a battery swap video for the GMC Terrain as well. I hope you'll consider subscribing to help support the channel as I create more DIY guides like this. I'm Alan, and this is Metaloop. As always, thanks for watching.